Well, Delhi NCR woke up to heavy non-stop rain today, bringing much-needed relief from heat and humidity, but also chaos on the roads. Several parts of Delhi are severely waterlogged, leading to massive traffic snarls and rush hour misery. The Indian Met Department has issued a red alert for parts of Delhi and neighboring UP, warning of continued heavy downpours. In Gurugram, neighborhoods like Palam Vihar, Ashok Vihar Phase 3, Sector 23A, saw instances of moderate to heavy waterlogging. Amit Bhardwaj is getting in more details. He joins us from Delhi's ITO at this point in time. Amit, that's one of the busiest junctions. I mean, how did you even manage to get there is the question. Tell us about what you see around you. That's also an area which is prone to waterlogging.
Absolutely right, Sneha. And it's not far off, last week only on Raksha Bandhan, I was in knee-deep water reporting from ITO. And today it's been raining heavily in different parts of the national capital, including ITO. A few minutes back, I was at Dhaula Kuan, where we could see the impact on the traffic because of the rain, as heavy rain was lashing that area as well. And waterlogging was happening, which eventually impacted the traffic movement at Dhaula Kuan. Here at ITO, the rains had stopped, but now for the past 10 minutes, it's again raining heavily in this area, because of which the water logging has started on the patch which leads you towards Noida, Akshardham area. So if it's going to rain for another hour, you will see the difference on this particular stretch, which is, right now there's no traffic, so to say. It's, the traffic movement is absolutely normal. But this water logging would increase if it keeps on raining heavily for the next hour. And that is why you also have several officials from different agencies of the Delhi government, PWD, working on the ground. These are the individuals who are ensuring that the streets in the national capital does not remain clogged right now. And that is why they are actually declogging the points from which water is supposed to enter the drain. So why waterlogging happens is that all this road that you see is and right there, I would request Manish to pan the camera. Out here there's a pothole, and each of the bikers are getting stuck in the pothole because of the water. It's not visible. क्या गड्ढा दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है यहाँ पे? नहीं दिख रहा है? नहीं। बारिश के लिए तैयार हो
नहीं सर 5 बजे से सब 5 कपड़े रखे थे। अच्छा। नहीं पैसे नहीं।
So, Sneha, we have seen a couple of bikers actually struggling at this particular point, because there's a pothole, and because of the water logging, that pothole is not visible, and many of these bikers have gotten stuck here. So these are also challenges that you face when it rains heavily in the national capital. Potholes are not visible, because of which accidents also, it becomes accident-prone roads. So multi-facet challenge that you might face in the national capital, because it's raining heavily right now. So if you're leaving your house, one should be completely prepared for these challenges, especially in terms of traffic that you might find on the way.
Amit.
Back to you, Sneha.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. These are pictures from Delhi's Dhaula Kuan, again a very busy junction that we are putting out for our viewers. In fact, let's now take a look at this report from Gurugram. Essentially, it's got to do with the rains and the water logging again in Delhi's, in fact, in the NCR region.
साइबर सिटी में सुबह से मूसलाधार बारिश के बाद कई इलाकों में भारी जलभराव देखने को मिल रहा है। मैं इस वक्त उस इलाके में खड़ा हूं जो इलाका सिविल अस्पताल से इस इलाके को जोड़ता है। आप साफ तौर से देख सकते हैं कि किस कदर जलभराव है। तकरीबन 3 से 4 फीट पानी है। मौसम विभाग ने पहले ही चेतावनी जारी की थी कि 13 अगस्त की रात के बाद मौसम बदल सकता है। साइबर सिटी में, दिल्ली एनसीआर में इस तरह के हालात पैदा हो सकते हैं। आज भी मौसम विभाग ने भारी बारिश की चेतावनी दिल्ली एनसीआर के साथ साथ गुरुग्राम में भी जारी की है, जिसके बाद आप साफ तौर से देख सकते हैं कि सुबह 5 बजे से ये बारिश जारी है और कई इलाकों में, दर्जनों इलाकों में जो निचले इलाके हैं वहां पे भारी जलभराव की स्थिति साफ तौर से देखी जा सकती है, जिसके चलते वाहन चालकों को भारी परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। आप देखें किस कदर ये यहाँ पे वाटर लॉगिंग है। तकरीबन 3 से 4 फीट पानी है और जिला प्रशासन जिस ड्रेनेज के दावे करता है वो ड्रेनेज आपको इस इलाके में खासतौर पे नहीं देखने को मिलेगा। यही कमोबेश स्थिति सेक्टर 4 की है, यही कमोबेश स्थिति सेक्टर 9 की है, यही कमोबेश स्थिति सेक्टर 10 की है, जहां पे सुबह 5 बजे से जारी मूसलाधार बारिश के बाद भारी जल भराव देखने को मिल रहा है। कैमरामैन प्रवीण कुमार के साथ नीरज वशिष्ठ, गुरुग्राम,